Our sea and airports serve to integrate the Jamaican economy into the global trading system, and significant transformation of these market gateways is taking place in order to improve competitiveness. The Port Authority of Jamaica, PAJ, is partnering with the Jamaica Customs Agency and the Shipping Association of Jamaica to facilitate the total modernization of port facilities in the country. The main tool is the Jamaica Port Community System, PCS, launched in July 2016. It's a neutral and open electronic platform designed for intelligent and secure exchange of information between public and private stakeholders within seaports and airports.
By integrating the system and flow of information among and between members of the port community, the PCS will facilitate more efficient trade services, reduce the cost and time of completing transactions, and enhance the image of Jamaica's logistic environment.
Jamaica's port community system is being developed and implemented by SOJET SA with oversight by a newly formed unit of the Port Authority called the Port Community System Operator. It will significantly increase security, safety, and the speed of operations, which will enhance port productivity.
The benefits are quite clear in terms of what the PCS system will offer: reduce clerical efforts to process, submit, and collect documentation, faster goods clearance leading to reduced inventory holding costs, more predictable and reliable information, and lastly, greater revenues to the consolidated fund to allow government to provide a higher level of those social services that we all want.
Among other things, Customs Transshipment Bill will become fully digitized with the introduction of paperless transactions. Terminal operators, shipping agents, and customs will be reliably informed in real time of activities and events related to cargo. And the PCS is built to resist severe disasters and security breaches, so users will have peace of mind. It's being implemented as part of an $8 million investment by the PAJ over the next 5 years, and will be integrated with the Jamaica Customs Agency's management system, the Asikuda World.
The improvement will in fact bring significant improvement in how we manage our business and create opportunities for business development.
Stakeholders will have reliable round-the-clock access for business transactions and complete transparency along the logistics chain.
The system is very dynamic and it can receive all file formats, whatever file format the line uses. That will be immediately, within seconds, be pushed to Asikuda World, and the whole electronic process will be fully integrated. We are therefore confident that with the introduction of this PCS system, you will have a full track and trace system.
Part of what we're doing here is to reduce not only the process in terms of time and improve our trade logistic business process, it improves transparency and reduce corruption.
Jamaica will be complying with international shipping standards as it puts in place its port community system, and by extension will be mastering administrative controls required to establish a successful logistics hub and boost its international rank in trade and logistics.
When the volumes of cargo and passengers processed by our ports grow, the economy also grows. Employment is created directly on the terminal for equipment operators, engineers, and planners. Shipping agencies and brokerages expand. Haulage contractor operations grow, and new value-added businesses in logistics, maritime services, insurance, and law emerge and expand.
Jamaica, through the port community system, is creating a simpler, standardized, and modern means of doing business, supporting economic growth and development. To learn more, contact the PCS Operator Department at the Port Authority of Jamaica at 102 to 112 Water Lane, Kingston. Call them at 922-0290-8. Email PCS_operator at portjam.com. or visit JamaicaPCS.com.